Welcome to Tre Sessanta Private Limited. At Tre Sessanta Private Limited, headquartered in Ahmedabad, we pride ourselves on being a dynamic and versatile firm offering a wide range of professional services tailored to meet both personal and business needs. Financial services. Our financial services are designed to support your diverse financial goals. We offer both retail and corporate loans to cater to individual and business requirements. Additionally, our non-life insurance solutions are crafted to protect your assets and interests against unforeseen events. Through our mutual funds and stockbroking services, we provide access to smart investment opportunities, guided by expert advice to help you make informed decisions. Human Resources Solutions. In the realm of human resources, Tre Sessanta stands out with a comprehensive suite of services. We offer expertise in resume writing, recruitment, training, and HR consultation for business. Our SaaS-based HR management systems, HRMS, are designed to streamline and optimize human resource management. Whether you are seeking employment, hiring talent, or managing your workforce, our HR solutions are tailored to meet your needs effectively. Education consultation. Our education consultation services provide invaluable guidance for students and professionals making pivotal decisions about their academic and career paths. We are dedicated to helping you navigate educational choices with confidence and clarity. Digital marketing. In today's digital era, establishing a robust online presence is crucial. Our digital marketing services are designed to enhance your business's visibility and engage effectively with your target audience. Business and corporate advisory. Our business consultation and corporate advisory services offer strategic insights to help you navigate the complexities of the business landscape. We are committed to driving your company towards success with actionable strategies and expert advice.